Hello and welcome back. This is a video going to be about my chess game that I coded in C#. I wrote all the code by myself. There was no cut and paste from blogs or anything like that. Everything was my own personal logic to come up with it. Basically, the game will let you move one piece at a time. You know, black piece and a white piece and a black piece, and it checks to see where the piece can move and highlights the location. You can't do illegal moves, so like you can't move the knight to here or to here or anything like that. I can't move white when it's black's turn to move. All that's been checked for. You also you can castle in the game as well. So I'll show you that really quick. Just move these pieces out of the way. There we go. And you can castle. This is a little error where I didn't think about it, but I know how I would do it now. But the king I can castle, but I could have actually taken that knight in that one section. So there is an error there. It's kind of interesting. How it works is you have a class called piece, and this represents all the pieces. It's in basically it's a list of pieces, and they have some values. So their color, their name. So name would be like rook. Color would be black or white for what side, and then the location. And the board is basically just an 8x8 grid, and the pieces get drawn depending on what their X and Y location are. So it'll draw. It draws these pieces here. It's just so it'd be, let's say the piece name was, well, it's a list, so it was piece 20. It would be piece 20.x times 50, and that's where it would draw, and y times 50, and that's how it would determine what square, because these are 50 pixel squares. I've opened up the white pawn option here method inside of the class, and you can see that there's basically just a lot of checking. So like here, it checks if there is a piece 1 square in front, checks if there's a piece 2 squares in front, and it checks if the pawn is already moved. So there are just a number of things that has to be checked. I would definitely do this quite a bit different if I redid this game, which I'm definitely in the future going to redo a chess game because it was a lot of fun. But I will do one thing different. I'll use a has a relationship with the pieces and squares instead of the pieces are basically just kind of on top of the squares. But I would build a has is relationship. So a square would be a class, and then that class or that object would be able to take a object of a piece. So, all right, thanks for watching.